In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match colors with Eyedropper in PowerPoint. If you've ever struggled to get your shapes and text to perfectly match a logo, an image, or a brand color, the Eyedropper tool is your fast, accurate solution. I'll walk you through matching colors for shapes, for text, and even for anything you can see on your screen so everything looks consistent and professional. Let's start with shapes. First, select the shape you want to change so PowerPoint knows which object to update. Then head to the Shape Format tab at the top. From there, choose Shape Fill if you want to change the interior color, or Shape Outline if you're matching the border. In the menu that opens, pick Eyedropper. Your cursor will turn into an eyedropper icon, which means you're ready to sample a color. Move your cursor over the color you want to match. As you hover, you'll see a live preview, so take a moment to confirm you're on the exact shade you need. When you're happy, click once to apply the color instantly. The shape updates immediately, and you're done. Now let's match color for text. Highlight the text you want to change so the color applies only to that selection. Go to the Home tab. Open the font color dropdown to reveal your color options, and then choose the eyedropper. Just like before, click on the color you want to copy. The selected text updates right away, which is especially useful when you're aligning headlines or labels with colors from your slides or brand elements. Finally, here's the best part. You can pick a color from images or even from outside PowerPoint. After you've chosen the eyedropper, move your mouse anywhere on your screen. You're not limited to the slide. Hover over an image, an icon, a browser window, or a logo on your desktop. When the cursor is over the exact color you want, click to capture it. This makes it incredibly easy to match colors from screenshots, websites, and brand graphics without guessing. Just remember, the color you see is the color you'll get. So hover carefully to lock in the precise shade. That's all there is to it. With the eyedropper, you can quickly unify your slides and keep your designs on brand in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.